Get off my bike, eh? I forgot. We're on Wellness Way. Actually, we quicker this way. Here, take one of these quicker for Wellness Way. I'll use my GoPro and put it this way. And have we brought my camera? Can I get Wellness Way in the background? Camera maybe like right there. Turn the camera the other way. Okay, just use my bike. And the camera's all backwards. Try standing where I was standing. Like run away here, Mom. No, for my picture. Because the flash came on for you, but not for me. The other way. I'm gonna try now. Okay, that's fine. I can see it a little better. I don't want to spend all day. Well, I always stay on the same. I don't switch it too often. Now my GoPro straight, eh? Oh, there's a car like us. No, we're going to that little. Oh, you haven't been on that trail. You do Envy Trail that goes to the BHF and the Coronation Park. We're supposed to go to Coronation Park. I know, but she told us about it.